Hello, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Yeah. This is why I pinned my bangs back. Toppy and crazy looking, but yeah, I have bangs. I'm here to do my Boxycharm unboxing. Yeah. Okay. So I got my Boxycharm. Here we go. Just the regular box. I didn't get the premium. I really wanted that premium, but what can I do? So here's the box. Of course, I already opened it up. You guys know I'm nosy as hell. Pink, it's cute. Here's our little Boxycharm paper. Boxycharm Stellar. Boxycharm Stellar. Usually they have something on the inside that they're talking about, but I don't see nothing. I have my products on the inside with prices, which is something that Ipsy Ultimate needs to start doing. They need to put the prices on the Ultimate because it's not fair. We should know what we're getting, right? So I'm gonna start with what's on top here. See, I have the Undercover Pretty Vulgar. This is a complexion thing. I'm supposed to see which one works for me best. And I'm probably gonna pick fair, of course. I mean, medium I think would be if I wanted it as a foundation. So I'll probably pick this one here. Pretty Vulgar. Hopefully they're gonna send me a concealer. Next thing on top we have Pop Man Starry Eyes Pop Mask Set of 2. These self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in depuffing and relaxing. You may find that they can help ease migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, the eye mask will start to gently warm. Put the loops around your ears, sit back, and relax. Oh, that's cool. I love eye care stuff, so I'll be using this tonight. The next thing I see is something I was excited for. Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. This powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free. Cute little bag. Okay. So here's the brushes. It says they can work with cream and powder. Ooh, they're really soft. Look at that. I would probably use this big one. I suppose you could use it for whatever. You could use it for foundation. You can use it for your cream. Like I would put the cream bronzer on here, and then I would pat it in maybe. Like that. Or else you can use the powder. I don't know. I would use these for cream for sure, or foundation. I like this little one for the foundation. I really like that. It's so cool. The prices for these are $10. You can use once. You can just use this once, right? Is that what I said? Oh, for cute on the back it says, no stars were harmed in the making of these eye masks. That's really cute. Brushes, which are $35 for these two, for a set of 2 brushes. Okay, next thing I got, I'm excited about. This was my pick. You know, you can pick whatever. I picked this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. You know me and my eye cream. So cute. Look at that. You would just... I would use this. Feels good. They should have had like that little... like the metal kind, like Huda Beauty's concealers have on them. That would have been like a cooling effect. It feels cool though. Do another pump over here. Yeah, I actually almost am out of eye cream at the moment. So like, I was really happy. I just got this box. I just got back from picking it up. Oh, that feels really good. I would for sure pat it in with my fingers. $50 for this eye cream. Okay, the next thing we got This Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. It says our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte. I got like a, does it say fluffy? Fluffy? How does it fluffy? It says flirty. Flirty. I thought it said fluffy. Oh, it's perfect for me. They named it after me. Feels really good. I actually just gave my other one to my sister. My sister Mandy. Shut up. No. Okay, so this Dose of Colors lippy is $18. Get out of here, weirdo.
Oh, my honey and her bang.
Shut up, Baldy. So that's just my old man. He's a little sucker. He likes to terrorize me all the time. That's Baldy. That's what he does. He just lives to terrorize me. I swear. The last thing we got, which I was pretty excited for, we got the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. Explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils. The price is $35. It's so freaking pretty. And the colors, got this little thing here, of course. Look at those colors. Oh my god. So freaking pretty. Like, look at that. Look at that shade there. Look at it. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I'm keeping this, but in my next video, I'll have another giveaway. Oh, and the giveaway, the giveaway winner for my last one.
So I screen recorded it. You guys can see. I'm gonna put the thing in there, the link. Come on. Put the link.
Catherine McCarty is my winner. So congratulations, Catherine McCarty. If you didn't win this time, just remember that I'm gonna have more giveaways. I'll have another giveaway in my next video, which is Ipsy unboxing. I hope you guys seen my last video. Go watch my last video if you can, if you have time. I'm really proud of the look. Box came up to 148 doll hairs, which is pretty good. I paid $25 for this box. Yeah, it was $21, but now they bumped it up to $25 plus tax. It's still worth it to me. Yeah, that's my box. I'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. Have a good rest of your day, wherever you are. I'll be seeing you guys soon. Bye. Oh, and don't laugh at my bangs. It's not nice to laugh at someone's bangs. Oh, and the fly is still, I swear that little sucker is still out here. Out to get me. And I just want to do like a quick look with it. So I'm going to be playing just a little bit. I'm not doing anything like I did. It's not going to be anything crazy. It's going to be easy. Yeah, easy look. Okay, let's prime my eyes. Okay, I'm just going to use this to prime my eyes. I'm not even going to do my brows. I'm not going to do any makeup. Shut up! I'm hungry. Cook me something. How dare you? Ignore Bobby. He's just a butthead. Ignore him. He's a butthead, I tell you. All my bangs, they can just stay up. stay up there. So you get the creases out. And let's play with this little palette. I'm gonna go in with this one here. I'm gonna go in with this. Just in here. It's called Eternal Light. The first one we used was called Lunar Eclipse, and this is Eternal Light right here. Look at that, it's so pretty. Ooh, it looks like diamonds. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger. See if it'll build up coverage. Ooh. That's pretty. But there's really like no coverage. Or is there? I suppose it can be built up. It's super easy, look. Yeah, I would go in with the finger. Go in with your finger. Okay. Shoot. See, that's why I do my eyes first. And then I'm gonna go in with Fireball right here. Look how easy that is. It's easy, totally easy. But yeah, it looks like I have little diamonds on my eyes. I don't know if you can see or not. Yeah. I want to add some color. I don't know. I'm just a colorful person. I'm sorry. And I'm gonna start in here. Get back and forth.